Want to master Selenium in 60 seconds? Let's learn locators, the heart of automation. 1. id, driver, find element by .id, username. 2. Name by .name, email. 3. Class name by class name, btn primary. 4. Tag name by tag name, input. 5. Link text by link text, sign in. 6. Partial link text by partial link text, sign. 7. CSS selector by CSS selector, #login.btn. 8. XPath by XPath, input, at type equals text. Self, what it does, selects the current node itself. When to use, when you want to refer directly to the same element, filter or confirm. Parent, what it does, selects the immediate parent of the current node. When to use, when you need to move one level up in the DOM tree. Child, what it does, selects all direct children of the current node. When to use, when you want only the immediate child elements, not deeply nested ones. Descendant, what it does, selects all nested elements, children, grandchildren, etc. When to use, when you want any element under a node, no matter how deep it is. Ancestor, what it does, selects all ancestors, parent, grandparent, etc. of the current node. When to use, when you need to move up through multiple levels of parent containers. Following, what it does, selects all elements that appear after the current node in the DOM. When to use, when you want any elements that come later in the document structure. Proceeding, what it does, selects all elements that come before the current node in the DOM. When to use, when you want to locate earlier elements in the HTML structure. Following sibling, what it does, selects next sibling elements at the same level. When to use, when you want to get elements that come after the current one on the same level. Preceding sibling, what it does, selects previous sibling elements at the same level. When to use, when you want to locate elements that come before the current one on the same level. Ancestor or self, what it does, selects the current node and all of its ancestors. When to use, when you want to include both the current element and all its parent containers. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope this breakdown of XPath Axes was helpful for you. If you learned something new today, like the video, comment your favorite XPath Axes below, share it with your tester friends, and don't forget to subscribe to RoboticQA for more automation tips and tutorials.